Everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I was giving a special opportunity from DAC, Diamond Art Club, and I hope you enjoy this video and see what comes of it. So as many as you know, and you are probably tired of hearing it, I'm really sorry, but this past weekend was my birthday. I received this in the mail. Diamond Art Club let me know that it was coming. It was not a birthday gift. It was a thank you for something that I'd helped them do with an artist or, you know, behind the scenes. And they said this was coming, and this came last week before I left for Ohio. However, I was too busy getting ready to go to Ohio to open it. And because they said it wasn't coming out till this coming weekend, I knew I wasn't going to film until it was appropriate to show. This is a sneak peek. Yes. I finally got a sneak peek! People, dreams do come true. Keep dreaming. Because Diamond Art Club does give back. So this is by Sharon Cummings. And I just, although I love the 4 sneak peeks that are coming out, this one just really resonated with me because of being a therapist and because of the background from it. And they have a quote from Robin Williams on their website to go with this particular image. And it says, "And though it all she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall. Wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me. When I come to call, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead," by Robin Williams. So this is Healing by Sharon Cummings. Is this not gorgeous? Okay, so it is a round, which you can tell by the box. They now yell at you that it's round. And it is a 51 by 74 centimeters, which is a 20 inch by 29 inch. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we are going to open this and I will see you shortly. And we're back. All I did was open the box for you so you didn't have to see me fiddle with it. This is my first Diamond Art Club with the new inners, as you want to call them. So it does have the picture here, has their logo, it does have the symbols. It looks like they changed the color on the outside so you could tell the difference between numbering of the symbols and the DMC colors and the DMC numbers. They did make these larger, which is really nice for when you cut them. For those of us who need glasses, it's a little bit easier to see. I did notice some of the symbols don't have the box around them anymore. So like this symbol 8 and symbol 16. So there are some new changes I'm noticing with the color block itself. This also is the first one that I have that has a peel sticker here. So this sticker actually comes right off of this. And they do say that you can organize your stash kits, place it on your logbook or any way you like. This will fit perfectly on the logbook I created in my new book that is being released in October in print version, as well as ebook available right now down below. There's a 40% off coupon for it. It comes with a logbook. This fits perfectly in it. It does have a toolkit based on whether it's round or square. If it is square, it includes tweezers, but this is a round one. So you do get 2 waxes, a squishy, a single placer, pen, baggies, and it used to have a 3-placer, but I don't see a 3-placer in this baggie. So I'm not sure if that was just missed or if that's something they no longer put in here. We will see. Okay. Oh, it does say it's supposed to have a multi-placer. That's all right. I have plenty of multi-placers. So we're going to put this aside so we can get down and diggy. Diamond Art Club does now have the kit combined with the drills together. And this is a partial. This is my first partial with Diamond Art Club. I was worried it wasn't a partial and that was going to be a lot of white. But this is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to look at the drills first, and then we're going to dive in to this beautiful angel. Okay, so according to here, there are 2 ABs. Anything that is under 150 is an AB, so 133 and 141. If you want to look here, beautiful blues and golds and oranges. There's your 141. And AB is an Aurora Borealis is what it stands for. And that means there's like a coating. I always compare it to like a sequence versus a sparkle. But look at these gorgeous colors. And then there's your 133. But you've got these blues and these greens and these oranges and so vibrant. I love how vibrant Diamond Art Club's colors are. You also get a booklet to show you how to, but I do recommend my book. It's a lot bigger than a booklet and a lot more fun. I have little stories and jokes in it, as well as pro tips, diamond painting lingo, so you can begin to speak it as a second language as well. Okay. So this image is phenomenal. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is a self-correcting canvas, so it will lie flat the longer it's open. This part here is bigger on the sides, so you can read it better. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it has the Diamond Art Club sparkle as your backdrop, which I think is gorgeous for this partial. I know they've had other partials with black. I haven't seen them, but this is just absolutely phenomenally gorgeous. This angel, being a therapist, having something that says healing just means a lot to me. Just a lot. And I also have, let me see here, this little angel right next to me, called Remembrance, just to remind me of those that I have lost, and I have it sit right next to me. So this does mean a lot to me. So let's get a closer look of the drill field, which is what we call where you put your diamonds, okay? So as you can see, it's very clear, very easy to understand where you put your diamonds. Oh, this is phenomenal. I would highly recommend this one. It is $44.99 on their website. However, Diamond Art Club does have coupons. So I have a coupon down below that you guys can use for 15% off. Little something something for you for coming along on the journey. And I'm super excited to try this. And as you can see, Diamond Art Club has everything that you need. Tells you what you're getting down here in the corner, gives you your pasting area, tells you who made this and who designed it. It has your serging, I almost said shearing, you don't want it to shear on the side, shred. It has serging on the sides. It has the clear top to it. It has your poured glue. As you can see, I can run my hand all along this. The glue is only where it needs to be, super sticky, absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much, Diamond Art Club, again, for creating such an amazing product, and I hope that you guys enjoy this amazing angel. Go check it out, made and designed by Sharon Cummings. So until next time, be blessed, take care, I love you all, bye-bye.